Hello, my dear YouTube and Facebook family. Today, I'm going to explain zombie computers and bots in cybersecurity. Don't worry if you are a beginner. I'll explain everything in very simple words with easy examples. Let's start. Today's topic is zombie and bot attacks, also known as botnet attacks. These attacks are very dangerous because they are hidden. Even normal users don't know their computer is being used by hackers.
Cyber attacks are increasing day by day. Hackers don't always attack using their own computers. Instead, they infect normal people's computers and use them secretly. These infected systems are called zombies or bots. A zombie computer is a normal computer that gets infected by malware. After infection, the hacker can control it remotely. The user still uses the computer normally, but in the background, the system is helping hackers. A bot is short for robot. It is an infected computer that works automatically. It follows commands sent by the hacker, like sending spam emails or attacking websites.
When many bots are connected together, it is called a botnet. One hacker can control thousands of infected computers at the same time. This makes cyber attacks very powerful and hard to stop. Computers become zombies or bots mainly because of user mistakes. Clicking malicious email links, downloading fake or cracked software, not updating the system, or visiting unsafe websites can infect your computer. Zombies and bots are used for illegal activities. They can perform DDoS attacks, send millions of spam emails, steal personal data, and spread malware to other systems.
A famous example is the Mirai botnet. It infected smart devices like cameras and routers. These devices were used to attack big websites, causing internet services to stop around the world. Sometimes users don't know their system is infected. Common signs are slow performance, high internet usage without reason, unknown programs running, or antivirus warning messages. Prevention is very important. Always update your operating system and software. Use antivirus and firewall. Never click suspicious links. Use strong passwords to protect your system.
A zombie is the infected computer itself. A bot is the automated program running inside it. Both are controlled by hackers without the user knowing.
Zombie and bot attacks are dangerous because they are hidden. Your system can be used for cybercrimes without your knowledge. Awareness and safe usage are the best protection. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, like, share, and follow for more simple cybersecurity lessons. Stay cyber safe.